What's up, YouTube? Man, it's been a minute. All right, well, quick update. What's going on in my life? We're here in Vegas, and of course, we were in Utah, but my wife is not able to transfer to Utah till June. So I came back down and take care of the fam Bizzo until she's able to transfizzo. Hey, what are you guys doing? Huh?
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Jackson's like, I don't care about you guys. I just want to get some cool air. Because it's freaking hot over here, man. It's like 100 degrees. 101. So we got the AC blowing. We're just waiting in the parking lot of Walmart because I think Tupu had to run. My brother had to run inside and get some shorts because we're going swimming. We are going swimming. That's the only way to cool down over here in Nevada. But anyways, all right, y'all.